You're leaning in to that, Mr. Simpson. You have a new buy. It is Eagle Materials, EXP. Let's show the chart.
So this is a building manufacturing company, Scott. So from a material standpoint, we've had Home Depot for a long time. That's more, I think, residential. This is something where we're thinking about branching out into multifamily, commercial. It does have some residential for sure, but also when you think of the data centers, talking about concrete, there's so much in the way of the supply business that we like this. 17 times forward earnings, lots of free cash flow. I don't know that we're late to the party, because I think really, to your point earlier about all these companies that are beneficiaries, AI adjacent, I think these material companies can really benefit from that spend.
Yeah. This is about a $7 billion market cap, a U.S.-focused company. So, we'll watch that. There's another one, too, TopBuild Corp. Same theme?
This is the same theme. They focus more on insulation. Multiples a little bit higher. Very, very strong, from our opinion, just a very strong opportunity set in the building sector. I know these guys have exposure in some of the competitors. I like the space a lot, and we'll see what happens. If the build out over the next few years happens, the suppliers are going to be tremendous beneficiaries.
But these are statements in some respects of what's been happening in the market and what the outlook is for economic growth. And the idea of a run-it-hot economy, a run-it-hot market, and playing into the broadening theme of the market overall, is it not?
I think it's even more important than you're stressing it, because this isn't our dividend strategy. This isn't our boring flagship old-school portfolio. This is our growth strategy. And we're looking at names outside of the MAG 8, 9, or 10. We're going to talk about a few other buys today in the growth strategy that literally have nothing to do with the tech side.
Can I suggest QXO, which not only do you get that same element, but you get a consolidation story by a proven compounder that takes inefficiencies out of the companies that he buys, as he did with XPO, with GXO, with United Rentals, and takes stock. Stock hit a new high, and I think it's going to continue to move.
Well, because the transports have been crushing it lately, which, people like Ed Yardeni have been focused on is, if you want to keep checking off bullish signal boxes.
Yeah.
That plays right into that.
Well, I just want to say, he said something pretty profound there, that a materials company like TopBuild or Eagle is in your growth strategy. These are things that are normally found in value portfolios. I totally agree, by the way. It's not just the data center build out. If this administration's strategies come to pass, then we're going to see more factories built. All of these factories need to have roads that go to them. They need sewer ducts, all these things that are built with concrete, with aggregates. Otherwise, this is a very boring sector. But when you get a growth spurt like this, and consider what lower interest rates mean in the context of government finance spending on all this stuff, infrastructure, factories that are built with tax breaks, this is going to be a growth industry if these strategies work.
Covered calls are the name of your game. You sold covered call on CAT. You sold a covered call on RTX. You want to tell me more about those?
CAT stays right with our theme, right with our AI adjacent. It was the #1 performer in the Dow last year. It's simply us looking to harvest some volatility that's surrounding a very hot sector. Pulled back a little bit since we wrote the call, so we look smart on it, but really it's just harvesting volatility. RTX specifically, you've got single stock risk when you have a president that's tweeting or posting about individual companies. When that happens, you see extra volatility around it. You can't buy back stock, you can't pay a dividend, you can't pay your CEO. Puts a little pressure around it. So we wrote a covered call on RTX. Love both of the positions. This is not a bearish call by any means, but way to make a little money.